Not bad, not bad. Okay. I'm gonna double check that everything's working. Oop. $14. I would take that. That'd be great. All right. All right. Cool. So that's good. See if Twitch is good. Twitch is looking good. Which is good. And then X. Hey. React in the terminal. Oh man. Yikes. Pirate software's nice. We all streaming this morning. Everybody's streaming. There we go. This guy good? To talk more. All right, cool. That's all set. How's automation? That's crazy, actually. Let's see. Still getting some progress. Ooh, it's cool. It's cool. All right. Community or no? Settings, metrics, billing, not billing. Settings. Past 30 days. Slowly growing. I was not terribly active. Hey Craig, how's it going? Not terribly active over the weekend, unfortunately. Got sidetracked, but oh, nice. I missed a day. I missed an activity day. I thought I did it on Saturday. I don't know why. I got messed up. Oh wait, here. Yeah. Let's go back to these. I think I did it. I did it Friday morning, and then Saturday morning I was thinking like, oh, I already did it, and I totally missed it. Just market analyzer. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, the GPT. I think I saw that. Yeah. Let's do it the weekend. Yeah, I ended up. I was doing. Yeah, I ended up working on some side projects. Got started on another thing. Kind of ended up just kind of taking it easy, to be honest. Didn't really do a whole lot. Ended up hanging out, which was kind of nice. For some walks and stuff. It was good. What was it doing? So we're doing metrics. 582. Oh wait, that's members, not activity. Hold up. Let's do profile. $78. All right, there we go. Now we're on it. But yeah, Saturday. Yeah, wasn't thinking. No activity. That was another one of those like, I'll do it. I'll get it in a little bit, and then, or I didn't even think about it in the morning. So, all right. So then, but I did remember Sunday because yeah, Sunday it kind of hit me. I was like, ah, crap, I didn't do Saturday. 16. So there we go. And then Monday don't need to do yet. So I'll do that tomorrow. So we're good on that. But we were getting so close. I was actually like almost right there, which kind of sucks. Because I missed that Sunday, so it would have been it was still only 21. I still needed over another week to even get to the 30-day streak. So not that bad. We're getting closer. Get it's always the weekend, man. I always like need to set an alarm or something. All right. So then Skool members. Skool members is going pretty good though. So settings, metrics, 582. And then $586. And today's the 3rd, so one more day. That's what I've been thinking about. Like, maybe I should just continue streaming over the weekend. So that may happen eventually. 589. Just make it every day. Just be consistent entirely. All right, and then YouTube channel. What's this guy doing? So 11:38. And then oh wait, what am I looking at? Wrong one. There we go. 11:38, then 11:37. We went down. 11:37, and then back up to 11:39. All right. Yeah, did a lot. I was looking at a lot of that stuff over the weekend, so definitely need to pick up the pick up the pace on YouTube content stuff. So doing the stream just to keep it consistent, but it'll be less of a priority for now. Although it may turn into something a little more important. But I don't know. I like to be able to track the stats and stuff, keep that going. And now if the course generator is in a pretty good spot, the stream may switch to some other content to focus on. But we'll see. So let's see. Now have the course generator. Now it's time to make sure that I ask it create as merit. Just make sure that what I ask create has merit. Oh, got it. Okay. And the final part of the course market analysis report is to supply the right content for the form submission to ensure course created meets the target audience identified in the course market. Okay. So just from the course name identifies as a go, no go. Already started building the final GPT, which after the course is created, take the course details text and use that. It will create the marketing strategy. Nice. Very cool. Yeah, very cool. Yeah, no, for sure. I mean, it kind of makes sense because it is, I mean, it's only what, 10 fields or whatever that get filled in. So it doesn't hurt to make sure that those fields that you're filling them in with the right data. So yeah, probably worth the extra effort to get the right answers there. So yeah, it's probably a good call. Not a bad idea. I did click on your GPT to open it back up. Got my other window here. Million tabs open as usual. Elite course evaluator with scoring matrix, personas, risks, and live competitor data. Yeah, that's cool. That's super cool. Oh, cool. GPT-5 thinking. Nice. Yeah, fancy. Very cool. Oh, marketing strategy. Start and then ensure we have a marketing strategy based on our target audience to complete the start to end course creation process. Yeah, for sure. Right. Yeah, and make sure it's actually somebody that would want it. Real data in the market that wants it. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, it makes sense. Yeah, it's cool, man. Very, very cool. Very, very cool. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, at this point, I guess I was trying to think what else was left. Was able to download and get this whole thing installed. I mean, I don't know. Part of me still kind of like wants to make sure that the whole thing just runs end to end. So, the only thing that isn't cooperating is this video prompt, and I don't know that I want to change it that much, but maybe just switch the model and it might be better. O3 Mini might be not handling it right now, so just switch it to something that's can handle it a little better, and then I don't have to worry about it. Just have GPT-5 do it instead, and then it'll be okay. And then, I mean, the one thing it did say, like GPT had some feedback on I guess, yeah, because it's just an SRT, so the SRT doesn't have positioning for the timestamps. It's just the standard. Yeah, that's probably why. Okay. So I don't need that. And then really we could actually like replace this with a code node, but yeah, exactly. Yeah, just to see the whole thing go through without having a timeout, because like again, it shouldn't have a timeout. But that's the only thing that makes me feel bad is not having seen the entire process end to end without a fail. Ah, there you go. Yeah, yeah, exactly. Automation on top of automation. Yeah, for sure. Have a call every day and make sure that it's good to go, and then yeah, exactly. No, that'd be great. Yeah, that would be ideal. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna double check. I know GPT had some cool uh ideas. There we go. Yeah, I was looking at the code node because I mean that's I don't know. We'll see if GPT can do it instead, and or GPT-5. See if upgrading to GPT-5 from O3 Mini. I think we'll be able to handle it okay. Convert your word levels timestamps into SRT queues deterministically. Create an SRT from these word stamps. Yeah, might help. Because the other thing that they were saying was like, oh, like cut down all the text, like strip out the JSON, which I don't know. Yeah, I don't know that I want to do that. Could like, I guess it wouldn't be that hard to like just remap it real quick, and that would cut out a ton of characters. But is huge. Lots of quoted words and floats. Tasks. The task forces long output, big SRT. The model spends tokens thinking, unless you forbid it. Yeah, minify, forbid reasoning. Cap formatting variants. Fixed time format to that. Cut the word problem into windows. Yeah, just break it up. Bump pragmatic API knobs. That I definitely did not want to do. I don't want to tweak anything. No need. And oh yeah, I guess I'm not showing it. There you go. Drop in fast prompt. Yeah, paste your minified, which yeah, so it's like this isn't a drop in. That means you have to modify the minified timestamps first and then drop in the fast prompt. So biggest speed win. Yeah. I mean, this is the one that it's like I should just turn it to code. I feel like it wouldn't be that hard. It's pretty again, it's back to like we've already got a deterministic way to do it as far as 42 characters, so we can just like split, and then it has like a nice little option to switch it. Nice little option here to make sure that it's not like one word on the last line. So that would probably be the best solution here, but we'll see if GPT-5 can handle it. I don't mind it. I mean, that's AI's strength is brute forcing through this stuff, so might as well let it do it. Then we finish. We can pass the course details text to the create marketing plan and strategy for that particular course. As long as it does not reduce the course quality, go ahead if you think it's better. I mean, I don't think it will. Like this is just for the this part's pretty deterministic because all it is the placement of words within the subtitles of the video. So the words are already there. It just determines like what lines and how many words can go on a line. So there's no change to the content. It's just the way that it displays the content. But yeah, I don't know. I mean, I think it's probably fine. It's, again, it feels a little heavy to have it do it, but I think it'll be all right. So we can stick with that. I guess so. Then did you want to? We could try your. Okay, cool. Yeah, I mean, again, like this won't really be. You won't have a timeout issue. I don't think it's gonna run on your machine. The only thing is that like if it spins itself to the point that it like burns up all your memory and then it gets itself trapped. So I think it'll be fine though. I don't think it can do that. I think it'll just take a while. Which again, you're not concerned. You already. Ah, nice. Your machine's coming tomorrow. Well, there we go. We're like right on time. Yeah, the only concern I guess would be that it'll just take a while. And like you said, like you don't care. You let it burn for a day. You're expecting 2+ hour processing on it anyway, so not a concern there. So let's see. I don't know how to open it on something else, so decided to wait till Black Friday to buy 8 terabyte NVMe for second NVMe slot. Nice. Yeah, it's probably a good idea. I'm sure there'll be a lot of sales. Be able to get one for cheap. Let's see. Digital marketing. I don't know. Go. Let's test your guy out. I think the user wants to create digital marketing. Is this just like a pre-built prompt? Is that what you did, Craig? Behind this GPT? I've only messed with them like once or twice. I forget. I created one time, but I haven't really gotten too serious with these pre-built GPTs. Comprehensive digital marketing course. Strongly viable with a focused angle. AI augmented performance marketing for SMBs and creators. Oh, well, there we go. Nice. Prompt inside refined and then refined. Nice. Digital marketing in 30 days. AI first, budget proof. Nice. That sounds like a good one. Skills remain in demand. Competitive. Extremely high. Many evergreen bestsellers and brand certificates. Yeah. Wait. Oh, 0 to 6. Okay. 8.5 out of 10. Skills remain in. Okay, so there's a lot of market demand, but it's very competitive. Okay. Yeah, so low score on that because it's very competitive. Took a whole day to reverse the engineer one I saw on the. Oh, nice. Oh, there you go. Yeah, there you go. Strong if AI augmented short cycle KPI tied. Feasible. DTC funnel cohorts add-on templates. Feasibility. 7.0. Micro lesson format reduces production complexity. Market demand. Digital ad spend. Better landscape. Udemy. Coursera and Google. Meta. LinkedIn Learning. Sure. Yeah, these are all other platforms. Audience personas. Local SMB owner operator. Okay. Time poor pragmatist. Solo creator, UGC marketer. Yep. Growth hacker in training. All right. Career switcher. Ops minded analyst. There we go. Differentiation strategy. Launch a measurable acquisition engine in 30 days using AI to cut time to traffic by 50%. Whoa. This is done. Cool. AI course market analyzer. Nice. Whoa, still writing it. Is it like revising? Differentiation strategy. Yeah, there we go. Okay, now it's done. Yeah, whoa, it like corrected itself. That's cool. DTC core courses, DTC Pro cohort, B2B teams. All right, all right. Ooh, nice. And then popped up here too. Operational feasibility. Format constraints honored. Text only videos with audio, PDF. Yeah, nice. 4 sprints, 8 micro lessons, 32 lessons. Close. Almost got there. Production estimate 5 to 70 hours. Wow. Yeah. Rating score 7 out of 10. Nice. That's cool. Yeah, there you go. Like you said, it's nice. Like, hey, might be in section 10. Okay. Risk register. Yeah, just looking at blah, blah. Recommended action plan 30 60 days. Validate wedge, run landing page with waitlist offer. Produce sprint. Pilot 25 beta learners. Produce sprint. Finalize PDFs. Ongoing changes in ads, algorithms, bulletin, blah. Medium 7 out of 10. Course creation inputs for course internet. There you go. So it's after 10. There we go. Digital marketing 30 days. Launch a profitable acquisition engine for SMBs and creators. Nice. Local SMB owners. 32 lessons. We'd probably go whatever. 40, I guess. 30. We have 20. Intermediate. Learning outcomes. Ah, very nice. Yeah. Nice. Key topics to include. Okay. Pretty legit. Okay. 40. Yeah. All right. Oh. That's cool. That's a good solid answer. Appendix. And then kind of, more operational stuff. Yeah, nice. You did me proud. Craig. Yeah, no, that's cool. I was worried that it was just going to kind of give like generic answers and stuff, but then it actually does come down here and like it basically just leads up to the actual answers from that prompt. So yeah, very cool. I think that hits basically everything, right? We did exclude practical applications. So yeah, no, that's super solid. Yeah, it's cool. It's cool to see like the actual I don't know, like proper answers for those fields, as we've been kind of just like tossing in answers. I mean, I've just been like, I don't know, like throwing in some answers. So yeah, very cool to see it fill out the whole thing. Format aware. Oh, nice. Yeah. Text only video, PDF worksheets, quizzes, capstone. Yeah, that's awesome. Let's see. Yeah, built the whole thing, placed in the canvas at the right. Oh, nice. Executive summary, scoring matrix, and course inputs. Very nice. Download and print it as PDF. Immediately tailor to a specific wedge. Working on the GPT to create a custom marketing plan for each course per your course details text. Nice. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that would be cool too. Then if you basically make the entire process automated, where it can then start running its own whatever, creating its own social media content and start pushing that out there, and then it of course sells itself. Very cool. Okay. So then, yeah, I guess let's go ahead and try with the answers here. I think my local should be running. I think I reloaded. Don't want the machine running for 4 hours to generate what won't sell, or there's no more for. Yeah, I guess that was my main concern. Was like, yeah, if you're trying to generate tons of them, then it's hard to remove the human course creation emotional factor. Course creation emotional factor. Oh, hard. Yeah, gotcha. Hard to remove the human course creation emotional factor. Yeah, for sure. But yeah, no, exactly. Like if you're going to be using the system at scale, then I mean, I don't know. It's going to be the nature of anything. It's like a lot of it's going to be duds. 1 in 10 will probably actually hit, but it doesn't hurt. It doesn't hurt to try to optimize. So yeah, nice. Okay, so I changed A lot of course creators create courses they want to create. Got it. Yeah, no, for sure. Yeah, exactly. If you're gonna stick with your bias, yeah, exactly. So need to go broad market. Make sure you're hitting everything. Exactly. Not what the market wants. The market will decide, not you. Yeah. So I changed this one to GPT-5. I think that should be good. GPT-5 will try a little bit harder than O3 Mini. I think that hopefully will result in it not timing out, even though it's a lot of text. I think it's a better model. I mean, it's two steps ahead, so it should be okay. So I'm gonna try one more time. This is not the one that I want. There we go. Okay, so let's use this legit answer system. Digital marketing in 30 days, AI first, launch a profitable acquisition engine for SMBs and creators. Local SMB. Target audience. Yo. What's up, man? What's up, Yug? Beginner to intermediate. So, intermediate. I guess, yeah, probably intermediate. And we're going to stick with 2. Not going to do the whole thing. Course language, English. Subtitles, yes. ATT, sure. Udemy's fine. And then specific ICP. Nice, nice. ICP search, research, keyword, topic, and ideation. Short form hooks, prompt engineering for ad copy, visual concepts, campaign setup, search, social, UTM, GA4, and GTM basics. Weird. So UTM, Google Analytics, GTM, like go to market, retargeting and lookalikes, ROAS, MER. I don't actually know what MER is. And then experimentation. Tone and teaching style is concise, tactical, no fluff, show the pipeline. Do we have that? Professional and authoritative, probably, right? Yeah. Teaching methodology. Pragmatic, numbers, supportive, but accountability driven. So, case study. Real world examples, probably. Templates? Or is it more like theory and concept? First day of internship. Oh, really? Nice. Well, you got yourself an internship? How was that? Oh yeah, no. Oh yeah, I guess I didn't send you the options. Yeah, sorry. Theory, concept. Well, we'll do real world examples. And then key topics to include. Oh, this probably should be a full text. I don't know if this is gonna go. Exclude. Practical application. Probably end of lesson exercises. Yeah, fair enough. Yeah, the rest of it matches really well though. So yeah, no worries. That should be an easy fix to tweak it and republish. Sweet. Well, let's give it a shot. Oh no, what happened? Is it too big or something? I do wonder if that one field was really long, so that could be an issue. Super tired right now. Woke up at 4 a.m. Took 6 a.m. bus. Returned 6:30 p.m. bus. Reached home at 8 p.m. Super tired. Yeah, man, that's crazy. That is a long day. That sucks. Hopefully the internship sounds worthwhile. Hopefully, worth the time. Don't want to change. I don't know if I want to change anything. But I will not add that entire thing to the list. Topics is too long, probably. First level intermediate, 2, language US, subtitle, VTT, SRT. Udemy is good. Learning outcomes. So yeah, this one's good though. We'll do these. Professional authoritative, teaching method. I don't remember. Real world. Key topics. I mean, it's not that long of an answer, but I don't know how many characters this guy can handle. Standard text. Standard text is going to be a lot. I don't know. It's probably like at least 1,000 characters. We can change this field to be a text area though. So maybe let's just do that first. Stop. So where is that? Probably what it should be anyway. Teaching methodologies, drop down, key top. Yeah. So this should just be text area instead of text, just in case. And then same with topics to avoid text area. So that makes more sense anyway. So okay, try that again. Oh, that's right. Yeah, you're doing cybersecurity. So enjoyed, no doubt, with a sudden time change kill me. Oh yes, the time. Yeah, that's yeah. It's probably gonna take you like a month to readjust to that kind of schedule, man. That's a rough one. That sucks. Cybersecurity would be, that's a good topic though, man. I don't know. I think you will not get bored with that. So that would be hopefully worth the commute if you can stick with it. You just might not have a whole lot of free time to do anything else for a little while. Hopefully it can keep you motivated. All right, try this. Intermediate 2, English. Yes. Udemy. Keyword topic. Oh yeah. We'll do that. Authoritative is good. Case study is good. There you go. Key topics. There we go. Cool. And exclude. Smith. There we go. All right, cool. Oh, crap. I hit the wrong button. This should hopefully be like the final execution. The only thing we've been running into is like at the end when the video sometimes times out when it tries to create the subtitle file. So I was gonna see if I can get one to not time out when we create the subtitle file, and it'll hopefully run the whole thing end to end without an issue and without my intervention. Let's see. All right. All right. I think I tried myself. I think I have to hit the other button because I've only got this one. I can't get the rest of the workflow it won't continue on to the end. So I think we just have to do this again. So one more time, building the suspense here. And then I might set up another script to fill it in automatically just in case. But it's going to take a minute for this to run anyway. Then we can get sidetracked. Intermediate to US. Yes. Okay. And outcomes. and topics to exclude. Okay, there we go. Let it run. Let's go. Cool. So it should have created a new folder. Can't see any data that should be an issue. Yeah, no, I don't think so. None of the inputs should be a problem. I mean, it's going to be, it really is reliant on GPT to do the work. So GPT is the only thing that causes an issue because it's going to interpret the data regardless. So yeah, I think it should, whatever you put in there will be fine. It'll try to come up with something, which I guess, yeah, it's kind of like the problem with AI is that you tell it what to do, it's going to do it. It's not really going to push back. So it's going to try to come up with a course on whatever you tell it to come up with a course on. Might not be good, but it'll give it a shot. All right, but we're off. We're only doing 2 lessons, so it shouldn't take too long. But hopefully we get some good results. Let's see. We rolled over into the new month, so we're good there. There we go. Digital marketing in 30 days. Oh man, that file name actually is really long. That could be an issue. Hopefully it's not, because I think I used that in quite a bit. Yeah. Hopefully it's not an issue. There we go. It's good. Good real world testing. Oh, whoa. Weird. Okay. If I rename that just to see. So, how many characters is that? Oh, 99 characters. Cool. I think 180 is where we get into trouble. So if it's double that length, then we'd be in trouble. I think we're good. Oh, step 1, market analysis. Step 2, course generator. Ugh. Oh, wait. Yeah. Crap. Let's forget. Okie doke. Okie doke. Step 3, marketing strategy and plan. Step 4, buy a Ferrari. There you go. There you go. Sounds good. All right, so we are plugging away here. Got an image. Ooh, fancy. Very cool. Profit acquisition engine even included it there. There we go. Nice. Lesson 1. Still working on lessons, aren't we? So should have lesson text coming in. Course text, rather. Got that. All right. So then it's working on content, probably, right? Yeah. I haven't done content yet. Super. So yeah, content's like the first big one because it goes through. That's going to take forever because it will. I mean, once we hit the full amount, because it generate course content. Here we go. Because of this guy, or no, it's this. It's because of this. I think because yeah, you're going to get all the lesson text and it's going to call whatever. So in this case, it does it 2 times in a row. But if you did a 40 lesson lecture, I guess, which we have not tested, I have to run this offline at some point. With a 40 lesson lecture, it's going to just call GPT 40 times in a row to be like, hey, here's the lesson, give me the content. Here's the lesson, give me the content. Here's the lesson, give me the content. And then for each one of those, then it's going to go back and update each one of the descriptions. So, man, yeah, it's going to be a lot. It's going to be a lot. If you want, I can copy the prompts I'm using in GPT so you can have your own analysis engine. Yeah, sure. Yeah, I mean, if you got the prompt, that'd be cool. Yeah, it's up to you. If you want to share that, that'd be great. I totally understand you wanted to keep it proprietary as well. I can come up with one if I have to, so no worries. All right. I'm going to take a quick break since we got a minute while the system runs. So I'll be right back. All right. Next try in the course generator. Oh yeah, true. Yeah, we can try a cybersecurity course. Let's see the output. Yeah, for sure, man. This is based on marketing analysis frameworks and your knowledge of course creation. Oh, there we go. Yeah, that helps. Helps to have a foundation for that. Only part I would like to keep proprietary is the video and audio creation. Gotcha. Okay. Yeah, sure. Okay, so where are we at? Where are we at? Course generator content. Hey, nice. Got a bunch of slides for the first one. Yeah, nice. So, I mean, this is the only thing I guess was a little worried about, that it might kind of throw it off a little. That told it. Oh no, I guess we only told it two. We told it a bunch of topics, and then we only told it 2 lessons to do it. So, that's okay. But we got slides. Very nice. Very nice. Customer blueprint, core marketing guide. Then we should be working on audio. Wow. Okay, audio's already done. Sweet. Then not on video yet. Well, I mean, I guess we should almost be on video. I guess maybe. So we have lesson 2 as audio yet. It does. That was quick. Seems really quick. And I think the next thing is video. So it's probably just churning on creating that ETT or SRT. Yep, running November 3rd and run for a minute. Okay. So hopefully GPT-5 handles this with no issue. This is the only hang up that I was worried about. So if we can get through both of these, then I think we'll be in good shape. Yeah, because I think, again, the sorry, the only other thing was because the audio runs. The audio. I guess I haven't seen this split work correctly, so that's the only thing I guess I haven't like truly tested. That's the only thing that makes me a little nervous. But yeah, as long as this goes through, then it should finish, and then it'll go to this one, and then should finish and be done. Okay, so video and audio creation as it would lead to direct competition. If they get the slides, they can record their own audio with their own, or record their own videos and with their own audio. This is mad. It's kind of crazy. Yeah, it's kind of crazy. I guess we can see. No video yet. Probably still working on the SRT. Yeah, I don't know. Might have to do that programmatically. It shouldn't, because it really shouldn't take that long. It's like not really using AI what it should be for, but I don't know. Sure, you can use this for your own software development courses. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know about selling a course, but I like the system. I like the system for sure. I mean, and I mean, I could use it to fill in, like create. I mean, I guess if it's like part of Skool, I guess, like I could see that. So, that could be one way. Just like added bonus. Hopefully, still going. Haven't had an issue yet, so we'll see. because just that SRT. We'll see. We'll see. We add something like notification in form when course is perfectly generated, then it shows message. Oh, like when it responds to let you know that it's done. Yeah, it probably needs something to what probably would happen is like you would add your email or something like that, like let it send you an email that it's done generating the course or whatever. But yeah, it's a good point. Or create like a Telegram bot or something, depending on what you want. But yeah, like if you just hook up your own email, that probably would be the easiest way to do it, to just let you know like, hey, course completed, and then it just send you a link to your Google Drive and then let you know that it's like, hey, everything's in here. So yeah, that would be helpful for sure. That's true. Because it will take a while, especially if you're gonna run this for like 40 courses and it's gonna take 2 hours or whatever, 2+ hours. This should hopefully have a video here in a minute. Set up to let you know when the folder's ready. That's true too. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's true. You can have a system that like checks the folder to see that, you know, if all of these guys have stuff in them, then it could let you know that it's done. Inside form possible, just curious, is it not possible? I mean, I don't think so. I don't think that's the way these forms work. I don't know. I forget if there might be a node to return. What would probably actually happen is you would do like a webhook instead, and then if you wanted it, if there was the goal was to put the result back onto a website, then you probably do it through a webhook, and then you could have a component on your website or whatever that would change when the status change. Like this workflow would complete, and it would kick off a thing. It would fire off the webhook to let the website know, and then the website would just be kind of waiting until it heard back from the webhook, and the website would then change to let you know like, hey, the webhook says this is done. But yeah, I don't think the form submit can handle that. Yeah, but it might. I mean, I don't know for sure. I usually you have to do it with the webhook, not a node. So, but yeah, it would totally be possible. Totally possible to let the website handle the notification. Well, and that's the point. Is like that would be the point of the webhook, is that like you would just have to check the website, and then if you go back and check the website, then it would be able to see the webhook was called, and then let you know that it worked. So, but yeah, well, I guess that's true. You'd actually probably need some way to like keep track of it to let you know the status, I guess. Do we have a video? Hey, there we go. Nice. So then we should be on video 2. And it should be not timing out while it does more SRT. So hopefully it'll be okay. Email. Yeah, I mean, emails probably would be better. Essentially, you probably would have like a dashboard or something instead, where you could like go and check to see the status of your courses, and then each one could have its, you know, processing done. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, the more difficult, it'll take longer for sure. But really, like, I don't know. The SRT, I keep bringing it up, so I'm definitely gonna have to fix it, but not yet. It should be fine for now. It'll be the quick upgrade later. Four hours per course with 40 lessons. Yeah. I mean, it might take a while. You got a pretty beastly machine to be dedicating to it, so it might not be that bad, but it'll certainly take a while. Probably a few hours, yeah. But hey, even once a day, whatever would be pretty legit. Not too shabby. Whoa. 24/7, 6 courses per day. There you go, man. There you go. Do what it takes. Yeah, no, for sure. That makes sense. Like it's worth, yeah, since it's going to take some time, makes sense to validate them or verify them before you let them churn for a couple hours. Make sure it's worth it. Hopefully not. Hopefully this won't crash out, as the kids would say. Guess we won't really know due to the nature of timing out, is that it has to take the entire time to time out. So hopefully it doesn't. Wait, do I have another call I have to join here in a little bit. Time changed now. I'm all messed up. Maybe not. Two hours. Okay. What AI tool you use for video? So we're not using an AI tool for video. We're using something called FFmpeg, which is free. But it is a command line based video or command line based tool that will let you create video. So that's why I had to be a local system, because I need to be able to run it locally to be able to create video. But all it really does is combine the audio with slides. It just takes the length of the audio track and then it shows the lecture slides during the audio. So that way you create a video. You have sound and you have the words to change. Eventually, the GPT marketing plan and strategy will generate the marketing assets via n8n. Yeah, I mean, exactly. You just like tie it all together with a bunch of automations if you wanted. Typos, you see where I reverse letters and words. One of my brain. Oh, really? Oh, geez. Okay. Where's the brain gets crossfire before yeah, that happens. I mean, hey, I can't type. I do it all the time. So that's crazy though. Waiting for the output, man. Yeah, we're getting there. I mean, one of the videos already done. So video 1 is already complete. C Films, hello. I am doing well. How are you, man? How's it going? So like, here's a video now. This one works with subtitles. Good. There we go. So it just shows the slide, and then there's audio in the background. So doing great. That's awesome, man. I'm glad to hear that. But there you go. Yeah, this is all it is. This has audio. I have to because the way I'm streaming, I can't get the audio through here. But the audio for the lecture, I can hear it. I have to like add the lecture file directly to my StreamYard so you can actually hear the file too. But yeah, that's it. Not a very exciting video, but you could make it more exciting. You could tweak it if you wanted. But right now it's just AI voiceover and it shows the slides. So pretty cool. Pretty cool. That we burned in some subtitles. And then hopefully there should be another. Nice. We made it. We didn't time out. Share this drive. Okay. Yeah, sure. Yeah, for sure. I can do that. Doing great. Yeah, we can definitely. So that didn't crash, which is good. So we made it through our videos. As long as I haven't missed anything, we should get worksheet first. Wait, hang on. Be lesson 1. It's going to take a minute to generate the worksheet. Oh, already did that one. So lesson 1. Then resources. No, quiz second. Should be doing that next. And then 100% world first. Awesome. There we go. How's the project coming along? It's good, man. It's good. We're finally This is the first time I think it's actually run end to end without an issue. So we got through video at least. It's generating documents, which is the last part. So that is very promising. That was the main thing that I wanted to see. Is like I haven't seen it go all the way from start to finish. I don't think we have too many new features at this point. We're just making sure that it works. Mostly just like bug fixes. So right now, it's generating documents, which is the last thing. So that's like the newest feature that it creates like a quiz, and so it creates this like additional worksheet to go with the course, additional resources, so you can go find other things to research if you're done with your other or done with this course and you want to learn more. Creates quizzes now, so a quiz document, and then does the same thing for the lesson 2. So, all right, working on a worksheet. We're going to turn that worksheet into a PDF here in a minute. Maybe. And then we'll do additional resources, and then another quiz, and then we kind of back up all the data into some documents, and then it's good to go. And then, yeah, create the course details text. So we like list out everything the course is about, and then it's good to go. So it's hopefully about done. Getting real close here. Yeah, lesson 1 is good. We had the worksheet, we had the resources, we had the quiz. Lesson 2, we have the worksheet. Nice. And then resources. There's a quiz. Is a quiz second? It's working on one of those. So we're getting close. A few more documents. Been working on schema.org for the C-Films website lately. Ah, nice, man. Nice, man. Are you updating the database? Trying to change the structure around? Schema.org. Oh, it's a markup validator. Oh, nice. Okay, cool. Yeah, okay. Get into some JSON LD. JSON tool, previously known as Google Structured Data Testing Tool. Yeah, I was actually just doing a little bit of this as well recently, trying to get into better search results. So, yeah, exactly. Yeah, for SEO, so you can get like the search cards and stuff. Yeah, very cool. Nice. So now you can, yeah, if you can get your results to show up as like a nice little Google search card, that's really powerful. All right. Got another document. Do we have a quiz? We got quizzes. So we should be pulling out the text. There we go. Course overview, course overview. There we go. CSV. We should get another CSV and one more CSV. Hey. Oh man. All right. That is the whole thing successfully executed. That's crazy. I think that's it. I think that's it for this one. I think it's in a good spot at least. It actually works. End to end. It's pretty crazy. End to end. 100% working. Yeah. That was all local. Video. I guess I didn't actually check all the documents, but I checked the video that worked in the other one. Make sure this video works too. Oh man, the other one actually uploaded. It was kind of nice, right? Lesson 1 was actually running. Yeah, that actually uploaded. So this one's just not done yet, I guess. Still processing. There we go. Yeah. So when can I get it? Yeah, sure, man. Yeah. I have to have all the workflows for download. Let's see. Can it It's kind of waiting, but I'll just download it. Download to make sure. Analytics testing. Oh, that's right. That's right. So SRTs don't do formatting, so they just do text at the bottom. So it just handled like normal subtitles. I was thinking of ASS files because those are like more fancy because you can move the subtitles around. So you have to give them like a ton of information on how to build them. That's why I was confused on the SRT. So cool. Okay, so that video worked. We got worksheets. Open this. Nice. End of document. I think that's still in the prompt, so we might need to fix that. Some minor tweaks here. Yeah, look at this. Nice little extra paper for additional resources. Got quiz document. Oh, that does not look like a quiz. Oh. Something weird happened there. Oh. That lesson 1 like that too? Quiz. Whoops. Messed up something there. Supplemental material. Or is that the same as this? No, this is different. Okay. End of document. So then the only thing was that the quiz, for some reason, called it lesson quiz. As we move forward, is that the same as this one? As we move forward, yeah, weird. There might be a bug in that. Oh, I bet I know what it is actually. I keep doing the get rows and sheet. No, the get rows and sheet there is okay. Here's quiz. Because the document name is correct. Quiz dash quiz questions. That's correct. Oh, whoops. Or no, wait. Yeah, no, that's fine. I might have gotten confused, I guess. But I want to make sure I didn't just mess up the process, or I just had to upload the wrong stuff. Generate quiz questions, which is this guy. Questions. I guess we can look at the execution. Hang on. Item 2. It structured the data weird. Interesting. Document text. Quiz. All right, I'm gonna tweak that just a little bit. Say I was gonna say change it to quiz document instead of just document. If I change that, I don't use it here, but I will use it here and just have to change that to whatever that last one was. So I might do that just to kind of give it context. Say quiz document text. Entire quiz document string here. And again, this is probably a little bit of GPT-03 mini being stupid. So, yeah. Otherwise, I think we're good. Awesome. Whew. So not gonna worry too much about that. I mean, I guess technically we could fix it. So the execution. Really? This would have been that if it had done it correctly. So it created the right questions, just didn't create the document correctly, or it didn't create the JSON response correctly. Yeah, that's good. That's good. It actually nailed that. So that's cool. Crisis averted. All right, then format this last one. Split answers. Boom. All right, so that's actually what it would have been. So that would have been much better. All right, no live tomorrow. I should be live tomorrow. I think so. We're just on to the next project, man. This is done. On to the next one. No live tomorrow. Of course, we're live tomorrow. As a quiz or a trivia challenge. Just a quiz. Trivia would be fun though. What term do you like the best? What term you like the best? Exam, test, quiz, or trivia? Is this a quiz about quiz names? Whoopee. Whoopee indeed. So then if we export this as PDF, we can do that, right? How do I do that? Share. That's right. No. Publish to web. Download PDF. There we go. And then delete this guy. Trash. And then do I have a downloads folder? Close. Probably. Downloads. PDF. Name is way too long. Okay, there we go. So I do that. Then I've corrected the result to be the proper result. But otherwise we're good. Just ended up plopping out the same thing it shouldn't have. So yeah, instead of that, and the worksheet was actually different because the worksheet had different content. Still kind of a little bit of weird formatting there, but it'll work. Cool. All right. Yeah, that is a full digital marketing course generated in, I don't know, whatever it was. Not even that long, like 10 minutes, like 15 minutes maybe. Not too shabby. Who wants a free course? There we go. As providing value just for showing up on the stream. All right. Yeah, I think. Yeah, just sent the link, so you're all good. Yeah, I think this guy's Yeah, the n8n files. Yeah, for sure. Uh, yeah, I think these guys are good. Yeah, I'll have to re-download the n8n files because some of them have changed, so I'll get new versions of those. And then, yeah, I think at least the first, like the first 5. I think there's 8. 5 of them. I will be putting up for free in Skool, and then yeah, I'll probably charge for the other ones. So might be probably be like a premium tier thingy. We have to upgrade in the Skool because I haven't added a tier yet to the Skool yet, but I'll probably do that. So it'll probably be underneath that. But yeah, after 8 weeks, 9 weeks of building. So yeah, pretty crazy. So yeah, I think that's going to be it for today. I think that was pretty good. We got all the way through it with no issue. And yeah, this guy's probably more to come on this one, but I don't know, not too much to probably do on the stream anymore for this guy. So I don't know. Tomorrow probably just going to get on and hang out for a little while, talk about AI stuff. I might get into some vibe coding eventually. So might switch to that kind of thing. Or building some more workflows on here. Live build. The live build is fun. So see what the next thing is. But it's been good. It's been a long project. There we go. Got a course generation system actually working, which is pretty cool. Pretty legit. Look at all these attempts. It's been going on for a while now, so not too shabby. But yeah, thanks guys. Appreciate you hanging out. Yeah, like I said, probably gonna call it for today. I gotta jump into some other calls, unfortunately. So, Craig, congrats, man. Systems getting close, getting real close. We're getting legit here. But yeah, see films. Thanks for hanging out, man. Yeah, and Yug, I will be planning on being live tomorrow. So yeah, no worries about that. Get some sleep. Good luck with your internship traveling. Sounds like a lot. So hopefully that goes well. I'm trying to think if there's anybody else in here today. So I think it's just you guys. So appreciate it. And that be over? Will that be over tonight? Yeah, sure. Yeah, I can get that. Yeah, get that wrapped up later. So yeah, no worries. But yeah, I'll be on tomorrow. So thanks, guys. Appreciate you hanging out, and I'll see you then.